Hello, good afternoon, YouTubers. My name is Mike DeCoris. I'm going to walk you through the Belkin 36-piece toolkit unboxing today. So let's get started. Okay. So I kind of skipped a step here. There's a box that all of the tools in the set come prepackaged. As you can see, there's a little description. Fix, upgrade, and modify your equipment easily. So this is like a good gift if you know anybody who is technically ordained on there, or anybody that just really likes to work with technology. So here we go. Here is the case. It's a leather case. Actually, I think that's not leather, but ta-da! Here we are. This is my first time opening it, so I'm going to do my best to walk you through the process. This seems like a socket wrench. You have your standard lever there. Off, forward, reverse, forward, reverse. So 15-piece bit. So I believe these are Allen wrench set, 9-piece. You have your different sizes. I'm not sure with all the 120, 116, 564, 332, 764, 1/8, and the list goes on and so forth. Seems pretty standard. Okey-doke. Moving along, we have a socket, screwdriver, bits. These are basically the opening of computer hardware, servers, equipment, technological equipment. These are the most commonly used adapters. Excuse me. So, like, if you are working on a new PC build, for example, you would have to use mainly this. That is a standard socket bit, and then we have like torque. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are really useful. Moving along, right along. This is kind of looks like a medicine container, but this is a spare parts container. This is kind of every computer guy's aficionado's dream, considering that I am kind of not so careful, like I put things, like I misplace things. So if I have this spare parts container, I can just open this and see, okay, washers, screws, not really sure what these things are. Yeah, slave markers, and jumpers. Yeah, I knew that. Washers. So this is a neat thing Belkin did for people just starting out who may just want to learn how to make computers work with tech equipment. It's really really neat of them. So here we are, moving to the middle here. We have our socket set. If any of you fellow channelers have ever worked on a automobile, you should be familiar with these socket set. For example, 3/16, 3/8, 11/32, 5/16, and 1/4, 3/16. It's really small. So this is pretty useful sometimes. I think the main use for these are more on like high-end equipment, such as servers. But yeah, we can just leave them there for now. Moving along. Yeah, I think 3-way ratchet set. 3-way ratchet driver. Tweezers. Yeah, I guess we would use these for grabbing some electrical wires. So in case of soldering of some kind. Needle nose pliers. This is This can be used to, if I want to grab something, or in the case of crimping a wire, there's an attachment in the teething where you can just go and the wire will break. In the example of, for example, if you are crimping an Ethernet cable on there. So this is a chip extractor. Yeah, I actually don't know what this is for. So probably we'll Google that. This is 6-inch #1 Phillips extension. So, assuming that goes onto here, if I want to make some, if I have to get into a hard to reach place, I can use the Phillips extension tool. Last but not least, we have a wire stripper. So this basically is used for cutting wires. If we are installing, excuse me, if we are installing network equipment in an industrial in a new infrastructure, we can use this to run a new machine coming into the lab, and once the machine is deployed, we can utilize the Cat5 cable, and once we run the cable, we can just strip the raw wire to gain network connection. It's pretty neat. Really useful, these wire strippers. And there you have it. Oh, there's one more thing. Electrostatic anti-static wrist wrap. Anti-static wrist wrap. Oh, that's what it says. This seems to be useful when dealing with electrical parts, i.e. hard drives, heatsink, anything that carries an electrical charge. You want to be especially careful when working with those. I can go ahead and open this. on. Here we go. Here we are. So, wristband, check. Connection, check. Pliers, check. So if we are grabbing like this bag, we can take it safely without getting electrocuted. So, or for example, if we are taking this pair of scissors, we can just pick it up like so and set it down like so. Okay, that's about all in this video. So once again, this is the Belkin 36 tool kit. I would highly recommend it for anybody who is a tech aficionado or enthusiast. So, oh yeah, the price is maybe $25 at Walmart. So it's kind of affordable. Everybody have a nice one. Bye.